In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add countdown timer in Card.co. A countdown is a simple way to create urgency for a launch, event, or special offer, and Card makes it quick to add. Start by heading to Card.co and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your sites are listed. Make sure you're opening the site where you actually want the countdown to appear. It helps to have your page layout in mind so you know exactly where the timer should go. From your list of sites, pick the one you want to edit and click the pencil icon. That opens the card builder for that specific site. Give it a second to load. You'll see your page on the canvas and your controls in the sidebar. Take a moment to glance at your sections so you can place the timer where it will be most effective, like near a hero headline or right above a call to action button. Now add a new element. Click Add to open the element menu. This is where you choose what kind of block you're inserting into the page. In the list, click Timer. If you don't see timer as an option, make sure you're editing a site type that supports it and that you're in the correct section. Some templates hide unavailable elements, and certain features may require a pro plan. With the timer element selected, look for the type setting and change it to countdown. This tells Card you want it to count down to a specific moment rather than count up from 1. You'll notice settings related to the countdown's target, such as date and time. These controls determine exactly when your timer will hit 0, so set them according to your event details and confirm the time zone matches your audience. When you're satisfied with the basics, click Done. That places the countdown into your layout. From here, you can fine-tune it under the Appearance tab. Adjust the style to fit your brand. Choose the format you prefer, tweak fonts and sizes for readability, pick colors with good contrast, and adjust spacing so it looks balanced next to your headlines and buttons. Keep mobile users in mind by choosing sizes that remain clear on smaller screens, and consider concise labels like days, hours, minutes, and seconds for clarity. That's all you need to add a clean, effective countdown timer in Card. Place it prominently, style it to match your page, and you're ready to build anticipation for your big moment.